Today, I'm giving you a quick, honest review of the Capital One VentureOne Rewards for Good credit card. This card is perfect for young professionals who want to travel smart, no high annual fees, no complicated perks. It's a simple entry-level travel card for responsible spenders just starting out. The goal? Turn everyday spending into future holidays without the risk of debt. You get a flat rewards rate, no confusing categories, and a focus on building good financial habits. Think of it as your first step into travel rewards, easy, practical, and designed to help you travel more for less. Here's how it works. You earn 1.25 miles for every dollar you spend, on anything, anywhere. No rotating categories, no tracking bonus rates, just steady rewards on all purchases. Redeeming is just as easy. Book any travel, then use the purchase eraser to wipe out that expense with your miles. Each mile is worth 1 cent, so 20,000 miles equals a Rs16,000 travel credit. You're not tied to any airline or hotel. Book wherever you find the best deal, then erase the charge. Skip cashback or gift cards. Travel redemptions give you the best value. If you want simple, flexible travel rewards, this card delivers. The best part? Zero annual fee, carry the card, earn rewards, pay nothing extra. No foreign transaction fees, so you save money abroad. But beware, pay your bill in full every month, or high interest will wipe out your rewards. The card also offers travel accident insurance and access to Capital One Travel for exclusive deals. You won't get luxury perks like lounge access, but you get the essentials for smart travel. No annual fee plus no foreign transaction fees is a powerful combo for budget travelers. Use it wisely, and it's a cost-free way to earn travel rewards. So who should get this card? It's ideal for beginners, budget-conscious travelers, and anyone who values flexibility. No complex systems, no brand lock-in, just easy rewards and freedom to book anywhere. If you like hunting for travel deals and want control over your bookings, this card is for you. It's not about luxury, it's about smart, flexible travel. You're in charge of your money and your travel plans. This card isn't for big spenders or frequent business travelers. Premium cards offer more perks if you spend a lot. But for most people starting out, the VentureOne is a solid, dependable choice. It's simple, smart, and helps you travel without breaking the bank. Let me know in the comments if you're considering this card, and don't forget to like and subscribe. For the right person, it's a great way to start your travel rewards journey.